Welcome back to Instables again, recapping on the week here again, jumping back above our 10MA, looking for that possible continuation as we sit just below our prior balance here. Will we continue on with this momentum? Are we going to have a major rally leading into Wednesday's Fed rate hike? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you want to see pre-market news that you want to be watching, if you're looking for data sets that you want to be watching, for example, 30 minutes before market open, the market very much does react to certain data sets and you didn't know that they were coming out, or just looking for those major volatile breakouts on news that we mention every single day in the Instables room, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into this buy with you guys here again, looking at our intraday perspective off the bat, again, looking at our daily candle structure so we can anticipate what we are looking for going into this next week. Again, as we are just below our prior balance, looking to see if we can continue above our 416, 418 level to continue on above our prior balance. Again, in my opinion, we jumped back above our 10MA. What we are looking for from here is to see if we will get a possible slight pullback, if we will continue to respect our 10MA, and looking for that bullish candle structure off of our 10MA will be that continuation if we are going to get that continuation. But again, keeping in mind, again, this next Wednesday, we're leading into Wednesday's Fed rate hike. So again, that very much will predicate exactly where we're headed. Now, again, this is why we look at our weekly chart for that possible continuation on our hammer candle here. Again, bouncing off of our 10MA that we were looking for as that possible test, and sure enough, now we are bouncing off of it here on our 10 weekly moving average, looking to see if we can continue to respect it going into next week. Again, if we have a pullback, again, if we do not continue on above our prior balance and we get that confirmation on our daily chart, then in my opinion, very much looking for that possible buy the dip opportunity on that bullish candle structure to the upside. That's what we would be looking for again as bears came in and bulls fully took control here after a retest on the week leading into Wednesday's Fed rate hike. Again, very much will predicate exactly where we're headed. So looking at our intraday perspective, again, looking at our 4-hour chart as we do continue on higher. As we mentioned over the week, again, looking for our 10MA to cross back above our 50, looking for our 21 to cross back above our 50 and get that bullish candle structure on our 4-hour chart to continue on higher. That would be that continuation. But again, we could possibly get a pullback. And again, that possible consolidation leading into Wednesday's Fed rate hike, again, that anticipation very much will predicate exactly what our bullish candle structure is here on the 4-hour chart intraday. Now, again, recapping on our swing perspective, again, as we bounce off of our 10MA, what we want to happen here is, again, to get that bullish candle structure on our daily chart. But again, we very much want to just simply break above our prior balance high here again between 416, 418, looking for that possible bullish candle structure. What I mean by that is getting a possible bull flag consolidation, getting that proof of concept, and then continue on higher into our prior high that we had here. And then that better play, in my opinion, would be to continue on above our prior rejection that we had here at 426. And the reason why is because we have prior gap downs that we had here, and that could be that, in my opinion, easy spike and gap up to the upside. Again, just like we had today intraday, in my opinion, as we retested our 10MA on the day, a nice bounce that we could expect as we had a lot of strength on our weekly chart, looking for that possible continuation. Now, looking at our long perspective, as we look for confirmation above our 21 monthly moving average, very much testing, very similar to a couple weeks ago when we had our green bar breaking into our 21 monthly moving average and now breaking back into it, looking to see if we will possibly close our next month's candle above our 21 monthly moving average to make sure we do not get a possible fake break to the upside. Again, we do not want that to happen here on the monthly chart. What we need is, again, confirmation above our 21 monthly moving average. So again, longs very much looking for that confirmation. The reason why we have been looking for that possible confirmation is because on our weekly chart, again, we have our 21 monthly moving average crossing above our 50 that we have not had happen throughout the last year of trading. So again, since this has happened, we have been looking for that continuation, and sure enough, now getting more bullish candle structure to the upside. Again, apart from what we are expecting leading into Wednesday's Fed rate hike, apart from what we are expecting from many things, we are very much above our symmetric triangle here that we were looking at, and we very much could continue here as we are now above our symmetric triangle, and in my opinion, possibly getting more confirmation on this hammer candle on our weekly chart above our symmetric triangle, and that could be, in my opinion, very much that confirmation to get that retest from our prior rejection that we had here. So again, that's what we're looking for on the weekly chart, is to see if we get that bullish candle structure leading into Wednesday's Fed rate hike. Looking to see if we will cross above our 26 here. Again, curling up, not confirming here, but looking for that possible confirmation is what we're looking for here. If we get that confirmation, we very much will be crossing higher with our 12 above our 26, as we had confirmation on that sell-off about a year ago, continuing to sell off since we did cross lower. Looking for that confirmation on our monthly MACD will be that long perspective. Again, recapping on our intraday perspective as we lead into this next week. Again, Wednesday's Fed rate hike will very much predicate where we're headed. Unfortunately, data has been showing us where we are headed next, but what I do like about this bullish momentum is not only did we get rejected at this level prior, but we also got a rejection at this point, but we very much did have a bounce back, bouncing off of our 50-day, bouncing back above our 21-day, and we have been looking for that retest as we finally crossed above. We never got that retest, showing us that possible continuation, very much looking for confirmation. Any proof of concept out of this spike that we got this last Friday will be what we're looking for. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers that we mentioned in the Insta Zoom, for example, one of many breakouts that we had this last week. This one was on Friday, midday. Typically, most breakouts are pre-market into open, but this one happened to be midday. We mentioned we had a 449 pre-market high, looking to see if we can break above it, breaking above our psychological resistance at $5, continuing to break out all the way up to $9.70 on the day. Again, we mentioned this break all the way up to $8.99. We did continue on higher, and then we did have proof of concept continuing on above our prior balance with a very strong momentum candle to the upside, flagging here, continuing on higher. This is the type of confirmation that we look for in the Instabulls room. Again, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instabulls, I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting the channel. Amazing breakouts this last week. We will continue to go at it. Stay patient. Staying blessed is our number one focus, and we will continue to stay focused on looking for confirmation and staying blessed in the Instabulls room. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.